Ali be one him say dey baby.
Na one share that na one buka na.
As a hippopotamus no. Na anyibia we I am o shama sana hwa him.
Max is not correct. What life here dey bo. Ebi na dey life ke say mo ye na tade na ma.
Let me wo bi yo. When you waka say mi ahoma no dey amantam na. Adni mia na feel say na say hey. You are killing yourself before Corona.
Anyways,
well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Na akrobeto ebo modiana oyeni sei na nyame nipa kumchacha so atwaso.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen Prophet Kumchacha, I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi Chum.
Order for me in this Sisi Chum. That they be amity Irrigated Sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress. All
right. Kwame Agwaba.
Agumejo so.
Now see nose mask no one pama.
And you be an a pama mod ne di birthday.
Ti mod ne pama ye.
Na me kwa MC no as MC no you observe social distance for her.
And ti mod ne pama ye.
And the gift now dey man for birthday na se no. Na max ka ho.
And obi aba bibia nya we bi.
Obi aba bibia.
And on be hu na nkrofo.
E prosi nya se na ka se prosi ni pa.
Enti di prosi nya ade na se.
Omo kra na also omo hwe chichi omo a ade no omo nche papa.
Da bia omo your own should na the own papa. Max the boy who banya life in the buy you.
I dey go akwa emu ano. So we bia
go. I shatare kama de maski egutu so sa.
Ebe so be so max tantan na wanya nyare ni bi. Se so be so de efe. Obe gya ho no wawu.
Ko de o de bo ho ban no.
Yare no more serious looking crofo kopa.
Crofo nko ba bia.
Yeah.
Ya de.
Ya o nim.
Dia na omo ho tom no de onka.
Ano so wo ho.
Na fe de.
So hoto de na
ya kase e fine kra na tie kwaku
ba wo de nya no ma
enya hoto sa hoto me pese me chese omo a recovery
no
na ya kase e fine on the average a recovery rate ne fa hwe death rate no that thing
ana de no so ya sa so obi antimi nka se yi na de ko obo ba ko na we se
o de ba na se nipa de
nipa wuda dada ansa na ko ba
ko ro ho awu kro mo do so chende kuro ku tina o se mi ani da ho no what I say ze obi ho no mo a o se yesu didi ya te didi pa amanfo didi ukroma no
ba aso didi ye na so
na make ken so bi o ko se di obenya dia ntimi dia
mo frɛ we ma me why na me friends
we correct
Papa Deus mo frɛ Jakalolo me ma me why mo frɛ ma me na ayi boutique ana
David oni boutique so in office back
o boutique o de asenka
awa ko friend
say okoye elections na
ai o de ba lo ka ko kan de ni mu okomampomwa de ba lo ka ko kan de ni mu
en samu free o ba no enya homeka
ayo to pani ni mo no nam
Kasa mene ne kasa. Papa Bills friend mama na me Jack and kasa na. And there's some bobo achi na.
Obani anya sam ketwa za.
Dabi, anya sam ketwa sa.
Obani ansa na abeko esuin ne ayiye ya ofeso si. Go we ayiye pa make us obu a okoshe dem kran ompie.
Running stomach ya bam.
Because na ni su chi no. Obani ayi ochina na me adom a. Dr. Emmanuel Bokete Bote. CEO Edma Charger Limited na Happy Man. E betes ni is o my nose mask ni sanitizer squad ya ba. Ochina ni birthday.
Okay.
It's Dr. Emmanuel Bokete Bote. I was so happy. I get that phone because me kai pass yeah party. Oba beso ya say. Oh yes. It's
and I'm quite me na wo ho ntime me akira ko hwe na.
Bola no ho go bi.
Already no way ya. Oh na kwa nkomo keke ni edi miss.
Ana tira utimi no utimi kan bola de susu ba bi.
That oh da bi nya bola. Se me maka bola. me person just o we remo
eh na who wan go to ball and say o ha ye kan na bo Ofie any do it
kwa be e ho na ne factory wa na e ho na ne view
factory ni wo ho
but na no akoto electric fencing nyina de ku ayi so a let me say pampa na be buy electric fencing me no
and the akonfoti no enye pampa
inde the area mu de kra ko atu aba
la ma bopa
but for so timi sisi wo hene e ko sa ntem ko bo no de no e o monte
eso opa ho bo wa mu anu ko sa happy my ho
e from off
Dr. Emmanuel Bokete but here we should know happy birthday in advance Nyankopon sha no on trend na shim
and so ye ayi mami so birthday ayi madam yi oh
ye mami o Madina
hey kwaku and
run of frame e kai me
kwaku dey wan ka be there
your friend madam Esther Boadu
Ofie Mampo
otie enti from all of us mommy you wish you happy birthday na oba no so ne kunu no so no ayi
omunyina
me say ni di ni kura
ni 80th birthday o ni 80th birthday na be say nko be ron pa na kuro ya man kwa me wade kwa me wade
and
odi phone na ni mu ana say dey tina so phone bele wa
and obi ye bi say dey all count boss
an astute a broadcaster why you adwuma ya change
o timi ka che bi play oni ba be miya no pass o miya
phone timi boss obi an kai na dey
akoda to dey antima kwaku ma me Nyankopon sia
enti
madam retired Boadu no cha dey enti ni bi
o ti Adom
papa 24/7 Adom FM 103
Mami, I'm never muso
happy 80th birthday to you.
And
nyame fa 29 kan so small prayer na chese.
Yes, na a belated birthday so come Hannah or Barclays Bank Ridge. We Papa Bills and the buy. And your former president
Papa Bills bank for any offices for
on here on
so be oton watch
me pe o sara for ni bi o.
Papa Bills o je
relationship with a benefit. Bank for omo ewo your friend is saying Kotubabi branch there be also free ho is say operations absa operations or said Dominic Sedu and also Fudua Sandra absa credit operations unit omso mutie papa I get the omofania absa for nankasa no ukọ cycle ha omofani agro ukọ Kotubabi a omofani agro I get omutie papa obi otie I get dia
excellence yankasa kra ro
who say former president Rollins so na woda Ifo Jakwata Jerry John Rollins you wish happy
say no so why oluman
onye oluman sa
oh am da no mo ye do for
emi na we dia sa ba o say the otia onye mresa o
sa o be ka so am
once a soldier always a soldier
me ka so am but say
emi na ya sa
emfie ni ko nanim
oh yes ko nanim
ye kwaku ye wodwum ye wodwum so wodwum na black ba ko crazy mu ni bi no
so unia no
it takes only the agent to have that one yeah you better food ma ko say na bi wo ma bodu semi but pure white le dey a blessing nyame na de ma se ye bon person Nyankopon ye nyina
ye say kakra ka take over
they be say they be si bi aye e jama
50 cd
kwaku
na chairman general so so the favorite program ba ko pe
pa get
ono so na woda onye 50
so ko ayi see ko say fa
let's akakra na chairman general
oh say ko fon fi na because we dey need that
which is 50 am say na say ne kwa me
o say on why
cheba je driver
and how can I say
so je be sa no na me kasa ma no fo
kwa me ne ne say woni mpanimfo na esizu
fa o kwaku ana mo serious note
I say more serious I'm coming to say program you shall say dia say na be kan we more serious note
me classmate me nu na o ma we ni akọ parliament
why
yeah kisi so to ayo no and my classmate no
Dixon
yeah
Dixon your classmate
yeah I'm in the school
hey come Dixon doctor no
yeah oh small boy sir
oh jaja open jai I dey say me na your program wa onya bofrasa
yeah say picture for the
o pese o to dey so fine but on dey minim no
that be Dixon oni sir Dixon could be our classmate so bet me ni asa no ono ya da form man am ba school no mu so ba no o say
omo ho so
yeah ko school class no utimi me say one class ko be ko ni na ba yeah ma akwa ma free class 2 am ko class 3 abra untwam fo mu enti na ye ko share school na bi mu okra na utimi say where your classmate so na ni fie no e wo form kakra enti bi mo mu na me congratulate no say what me awini wa bre ho I think this is about the.
Oh, say no MP no anko bi mu nti. Afuna be da. You sell you go.
And yes of an fala.
And I want to be born so only koda. So I so no.
Because mami dey always say one my kukui you know. Ne worship
I see difference.
Yes, we the banner we the aba. The delegates no on there or in bottom on side I the
I the first delegate. Free na kwede no.
On side I dey o ta ku.
On
side I
dey. I say omo polling station elections I omo ye nti do akugina na as a polling station yes executive.
Party be me ho adom one.
Oh yes.
Ada green or blue one.
But
party na kan.
Ahanu mo de.
Blue one ye one.
Green so dey obetuma nya post ntem. Difference wo mu no.
Me ko green one betuma.
We no mo no wi a mo no wi. But green dey so dey, we say we are post.
Yeah, me find them.
We say I will grow degree say dey ka okokra.
Because green one.
Now we post. O sa mo anu ye den kakra o.
We post dia, we be green one e be bo.
I be win dia.
Na ope dey e di preko so dia.
Yeah.
Ayo. Now, most in Coco, they are one winning.
What to that for?
Need to read any problem. I want to force you. And then me away. Why, Papa?
Regional minister, some now.
Oh, my say, regional minister, no. When regional minister, now when we are the regional minister. South Chrome was our constituency.
No, you'll be on your corrupt. And
corrupt near this Ayokuyi. What are you talking? In the past years, Sa constituency no. Me who MPB our bar. What should I hear Juma Bomb?
Maybe Oma
Oma me Oma me Captain Buddha me Casa. Me I can
on the zone jar of
corrupt more video.
Oh, that them person chest now so usually when people influence others with that I know. But you see, truth be told, I am saying this for the new person now. About so money in now. Or may yet the for because Oma Bena wouldn't say
a Brian in Crawford and Fako, you know.
I say it's still now. I say it's still now.
I'm just on the kitchen punch.
Information.
I saw the punches I was impressed. Papa no one price no small so I want to go to
set a champion madam for pa Ofie Kwanso madam funti
omo money now said the ensuo e na wi aso be entino omo aba because they na make a business no since 2000
you be go win primaries IMP.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and
you also we win there but obe lose.
And yen is na make general election no we. And yet to general election kwa na make no. Say the ya pam bia ko na omo aba no. Omo amamani na wa me adwuma. Eso mu so kire bi ni sa na be ko because the entire na make san. Me 2001 was somewhere. That road from Hotel Junction to Life FM no. Said the tier no sa na be si na
White House we.
And so MPs are back. So why do the people even want
White House to vote?
So I tell
you. White House.
Omo na ba who take be drum manum sa.
M1 and say, "Sir, MPP stronghold system no." I don't know M1 development work. I'm telling you today. The fact that if you are MPP, whether you work or you don't work, you win it. And na my bra.
O say sa de no I ma.
And can have something to someone so. And potential ya too many kakra, ya too many kakra
or the oka constituency be me refi or the example
or say one is working
and they call NDC. Yeah, they bet na call MPP sa. And you know what baby no. One more ni aye the only say kwofon be you. But baby stronghold no.
Ho no mu twetwe.
Oh na mo nyahwe.
Kuma si nyina.
So say den kwofon be to ama no.
E woni say
dan ya na manfra fo no.
Me kai say green for you buy na ye pedisi you cry nya.
When
obi na nim say na mayi
when to on baby ne dia o nim de omutuma no.
Amutom baby no. But penny quickly yanka ayesika say nkofo de politics okrom ase.
Enye no nko anom de.
Me for say entwa yi kwaku. To the extent so be delegate be me kasa say $1,200.
Charlie. I'm out for
$1,200 football people to abade nancy.
I don't because
I'm out for
I don't know. Opepano be bia magana. But when you scan delegate kanti no, o pa le gondan no bo nso gu so.
Enu tin yesu ohia tu akọ
de. Say na so mafia obo say yes ayi.
Your baby wa hu na tum say yes we there. Ma wukro be nya na me. But usika nso. unya wo akoma pasa e ka odro no pa che se wa dwimu ni ade nyina
wo akoma ba ko
o mfa na chi da but
wa bom na nchire wa do
if you say no life has never been fair so
your brother say
me kan e unso wa ba kwa be suit a tu se go ni je no pa na no bi be dia wa ji range
obi su dia kuli kura to bia ba
kwadwo ba ho nsu na eno so yesi mafia pa se on say ade no wo court ti no wan ron na unua ya fe na ni ba no so no na yeso unua on say si for no o da bi me o de o court ye o de na ato de say wutumi so no o da bi asante him no oh man dey say lawyer abiaku bi oh 500 kwadwo ba ajima oh 1
me so omo man nsa so ohun ya ni amako
se omo ye ya no omo to ba ko man no
oso ba ko de say
se be ka say
ba enjoy on jimi nyamo hwe
o da bi say asem no court be chop contempt
kwa kwa ngosi aga
court be chop o da bi be chop contempt oh ade
let's you man
nsa so yi ni de
entron casa
ese ba to hapa na fofo
oh yes by all means
na because but this one in particular it is bad
party national executive for a confirm say injunction wo executive this obolo adaka na to abade mu
na ma na mo fe chia kwa ko
because say omo ko fa de mai de tuntum meet play
bia sa de box no
box white no enu bi no
to say electoral commission for kwanko
debi
what kind of election is this one amasa eni me bo mo ye fine
obani ye fa bato ni si ho
o debi ye disi o se ye ko obo nso si afasi o
obo ho na bo ne fada no nipa kro obehwe fada bu so
boys na won
obo na ka sa fi nya na fe na o se nko church le bi kwa fi nya na fe
boys na won ho
ara boto nya ye so kwa ni pa
I say the
was me kokwa anim fine pa
onye ne niam yie next time
na sana yende because at e kwan ofa so around you man menya sure say bia next time bia no
enti sabe no onim say o we dey wa fam tru ka akura wi o
ba me woni picture bi oda fam flat
e kroma on sabe we nya buda say the way in from obedwam me wo musicians be a platform this one
yeah oh yes na bi no jubilate
e ba e say unia awi no esudin afi waro ba ko de abeto so olusu
da from na
yes olusu Adom FM is saying it
Edibanyo I before say agbeto na manyo
debi agbeto
manyo nipa nya
serious ena the last one there no mampon there no eno so no ade no there no eno so delegate no wan anya ade say information man yenti na person ka ye call mine ho na mine ground
so no ye mu hwie
so em send the phone om so say unim say mine ko a wen ko na ono delegate ne ko kasa ne ade a un say papa no so no learned ba na o ya na wa fa maka na che say whiteboard be or the abesio no church mu and then the hypothesis and the one near the economic indicators and there yeah papa be do go say so dan ho kope delegate no say teacher pon and yes so ba form so say na ba no
overall lecture
why friend teacher just say no so we here teacher dey odino when to call the other side
oh dey any patch yeah just go to the name of the board wa
na no kra na yes underground how come kra
kwa kuna hu akwana wasa je ne bicycle back no
no yeah
from wa kasa se wo
I say
man you go do a interview nyina o say ne financiers na eto sakre no
on financiers
it is anya idea na just say one say bochi say akwese akwedi no
hello how me delegate ni e ba to net say me pacho me na honorable small me dey blender na ebre wo no me pacho we bi so ana yeso very good pacho me bi so ai na ayi o wife is a brand no table top freezer ni bi me pacho ka che se mani bi yeso o so we bi yeso dada we bi yeso wa talk na blogger ba fridge no o de ka che se onum no na ndi froze why na on paper mu na on pack e ba be fa na ayi am say yes any mo 500 bi o mo ba chomo money na ayi mo returning back to number na send ma mo no hai o say adintra e ato aba na wi Yeah, we need to know about my baby. Okay, 500 Muntia. But the message be when you saw my home. Okay, Untia 500. No, you're talking about the only I only honorable the cost of the team. But okay, the money you go see you my Shabunaseno. Yeah, the basic condition Shabunaseno. Santo, into the Tassones and Bravati. Message Tassones and Bravati. Make how when it should be our own. Bye bye.
I say more. But passes away a delegate now. Afonu na we dia ba wagina akwati aba kon ba no so ba bagina de say de akwa bicycle so ba bagi anti o be returning.
David.
Kwaku emremu no so de chew mo de minim the conditions na wo ho ka se na fa de a
entina bi no bobo dua to so no
yes we call my bible
ebi no bobo dua
5,000 na bible san kan 5,000 no
o bible de ende when dia on be bomb pa ase
man your pabo na or the two for my check san we be sa fa to
open your street bible no de ende
e bo to any ha fa sa man no
ba on the front to aside there on be contempa o be mo na say
but anyi no mo kura bo ni bi dada
say yeah you know we jam serious oh David
abani we no edwa awon tu kona ya ntade ya na also besin ku feeding
ba kokofu ka wontia o yense ko fo twahwe ni nyina no sanka ay genuine ani odi wano kasa na ko party ni wanya ka won hwini anka nyahwe ba wo chicha 5,000 money pass 700 akwa yo charge 1,200 na me bon anope abogana sidi money pass 700 obi $1,200
kwame
investment
the money before they go to
kwame menti so ye di tu akogino bi so so ncheska menti bi da choice wanna make his choice no nti ebodiwa no say business gone bad that's all say o yo adwene mu say obesa babiem de adin agi se bi o adwene say ade no
and now say ade no one mafia wom and na cartel go ure kokofu mu delegate on be bad say na wi mu say masa mistress
e kwa go chema fa so a wo ti wonu mu he
serious o
bata maba 4 years ago no tu no to nya obi a ono so bi wonu nsam no kono so kwata na chi
okay
o my ni
I say you know akufu meta wachi so yanko
that is akwai say you akwai say highest bidder some na abayi
e bi I don't know
but man now we didn't go on so one say them tua sa
but enko
that for Breno it happened to Adusa you remember it happened to Adusa got to a point that people were tired of
Adusa yeah board champs na mo ase na US
general came with independent party and one go
yeah
so when they get tired
because anka the normal circumstances anka sa constituency in there anka MPP solid but because they were sick and tired of him ono the bars independent so
now you say the way no kan ho oba second word wo ne shaba nyina
aso mo ya no so da bi de omba ya na mo yi
afuto na de amako
me kan mo ye hwe omu na mi tin yi obi a shaba na me fa say na at least owo adwuma kakra o ho a
and ko na personal business
na me kan na ye fa say otimi employ nkrofo ka ba de no to nchen ya onwo ma ba den pa obi an ye huti
and ko na ba
na papa iku de na nka manfo ewoni da so mu because at least wo buy ye no my yet me am Eastern Regional Minister antika bibia ni adodode bi ba
the history of the world
betimi apran ya
ankwa MPB anya minister da the history of the world
oh
the nyina ma usa na
etika won ka dodode bi ba kra betimi apon kakra akwa ona ye tie dia
corruption ono ye din of heaven yakọ anko ni baby kwaku papa bi su ko kwa pa
enra your Father's Day opening
yeah
my wish you be a happy Father's Day na enra enyum bia yesusu ani eto in fact na metu bi keke benra na madwe ba anyum ni so yiye pa mu sampa o kai sa anyum yi
me unya nto ye me dan ka
me didi mia na meni aje me didi mia na meto every say enye me na meto me didi mia na meni aje o kai sa anyum so o robi anteni so anu asa to sa anyum ni bi
eneye o na uto na o zida na wa sa ron sa
really yangobo eti fathers nyina kwa me dey sure say no wishes ni bu so
but surprisingly me dey ne dey nra dey Empire Bopa.
Antimage friend by me.
Bompai man party.
Picture messages in the doors.
Oh, I want to so.
Cause them in Yabipa and all of them tonight Empire Bompai Bonuma and Antimage is also miss of friend Bompai.
They go for a crown on to friend. I acquire. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. The chairman part,
Bassa, not no phone about body.
Tobacco video, Charles, and Robin up the D, a Father's Day. On the other man in Nika, can to cake, man. They are also coming brandy any cake, no. And they say we could try a Dika crack. Kwaku, now Father's Day, you know, the Kosian say. And to me, impact. I mean, to say,
oh no, it's because of the Corona.
This is not the first.
This year, Mother's Day, Kwame, impact. Kwame, let's just face the fact. No, honestly, Kwame, let's face the fact. Honestly speaking, these days, Father's Day celebration, pick up. Honestly,
but and catching
no, the intimate Mother's Day, no, no. The bond between the mother and the child, no, different from that of the father and the child.
Oh, says who?
Oh, says me. Oh, they mean me go to a make a show. Oba time, and I say Oba.
You very much as
Oba. I conceive na kola dan ni for 9 solid months. Na nesono na de no friend den. Na fuma
placenta no.
Esane come on. What are you talking about? And you know that thing there we are there Mother's Day no.
Uncle labor order.
Uncle be there.
Oba ni gina ho o no gina ho.
I am in shot one.
Okay.
Remember the Caesarian and I make a come sick bomb crop I can't back and then years as Caesarians come. First one 42, 41, 4,200, and this got it. I talk out to spread.
We also be later than bed in Coma, Quimoda or Mankesim Hema, Nana Araba Utua. Actually, a friend of Mrs. Winfredi Drusu. I see when you're 80 years weekendy. Inti we if we cage one and kasa.
Kwa kuni sami yanka kami jemba pade.
Yes, the first real estate developer Ghana. I don't know. To say we cage one at the buy.
Sunday no so the buy.
Cage one and Araba Utua. Let's say.
Oh yeah, cage one pa.
Oh, a day.
La kopana sem sana beta bichile. Opani uni sami yanka sami pade we free but di pepe brain we ase mo maboa me. Papa bi e fe no Mr. Danso. Say oh no ya akomu hene. Oh kwa we bitifi. Me bank ran no member bi die.
Okay.
And transfer do member bi da. Kwa ku abo papa. Cause the dream bi na menya fit me the fitting shop. I mean fit any bi o. Me so na pass up na ye free mu. Papa ya me ni ko ye adwuma wo kan sia e ko ton bag. Sa na me site ni fie ya pon wa na ma tane card nim na de me ko. And the cars no wo bebre na ma wash. Ni asan ba dwuma sa na se be ni namu a. Na de me ti bi kishe mbotomi. Enti bi tada nso AK or do friend Mr. Love or Kanchi. Yankopo nsia ne pa. Na fe K40 of K40 Enterprise. Ono so na fe so aye anyi. Ono so ayo Kanchi ho a. Edin ya de wan anyi. What did da? And obi bia in diverse way no. Papa bia wa boy ya bra bomu bia no. Ya ma no happy Father's Day. Me say what to take ice cream e shop papa no. Wa mama fem papa. Papa kwa be na ni Father's Day dan wo ye. So what na me ni Father's Day. Ni se se su ska kwa ni ho Father's Day no di ni sen. Cause papa say to me to be become papa. Anya message keke bebre wa bo ayi scriptures bebre no asanya ma ne papa. Anya no be by this time. Anya hwe crop ayi matis kito be komo uluma. Ya wo dia down. Anya interesting.
All right, this one here says yesterday was your 80th birthday, Mrs. Winfred Idrusu. Idrusu. Mother of the board chairman of Prima Energy, Selma. Okay.
And then Mr. Godwin Tamaklu.
List to work with you for Jonah.
And I answer Mr. Brewman so. Mr. Brewman back school St. Peters. Omena so much take over just say Juma no ye nie pa.
Oh, to tattoo no more.
Baby amwa. Enti almost your child so much ye payment no. Omo ye papa fo ane sa.
Opening still P for P.
My we be abo.
Still P for P. Me catch us same way me nya chiri data. Only say oko court of arbitration for sports say me ka say F4 one more pillar on the coin no. Court na abatu egu. It's P for P asem no e pese chairman for say it's still in contention.
It's about to say P for P my
oh David asem no gusu e di asem no e kwa fa so e disqualify no e ho asem eguso e koso eti say court of arbitration of sports enya agitum say ye ne P for P ni ni yie say de eye reliever P for P e sikine dia kwambia so no Ghana Football Association e wo say yes ato aba no foforo
e kai papa boy ya odi aba yensan kwato
oh yes say na ho na go semra ye ena we susu anya haidie ena wa chinchim abuka fa so
wakwaje apon
World Football Body no World Football Body
Ghana de no wakwaje apon
o kai say na nsem we omo order asante ntua sika bi within some time won tua obetua eti omo ndi ye omo nya ka sese ya eti still P for P Yera Wilfred Oseko Kupama na sem no da so nti ye kama Ghana for ate Togbe afede the 16th hour no na House of Folk or board chairman team no says dodo na papa no any kura no is it okase league
on the kase improve
yes team no ra opening
on
cancer anamobi
onim sani atia pa
oh na no wakan na de wakan nya
no
Togbe ni abrese obeye bibi e de House of Folk last time almost the artistic impression of any more person me up my by what trim say by July there busumi ba be say and date is 22nd right 22nd yes was by July you know much as here adwuma na many way me did actually palm because say House of Folk etimi ye bibia se kotoko kra nya nya hwe kra na be jinja kotoko so ye bibi and as I team simpanimfo ya da pafo krom hey say etimi ye bibia enketwa no so no ebe hyase so mso ye bibi na football no mo anante ye be da anante mo anante ebe ya u
ba no mo
ya
mo anante so eti story bia mani di akire pa na I hope say enkonko ye usual rhetorics na da bia na ye dia no
football should resume Togbe asama wakanya se okobie bank accounts akotam sika omunya kosi problem ai nka ye na football yi ekoso kotoko versus Accra House of Folk na stadium abomma ni ade sika ni ye bi ko problem ai ye bi so abotimi na obra se football na akonko hoyi na papa yo na ni abre se woni komodo
never say die for
ai liberty papa yi so ko ya se na tufu pa for the chese I don't think MPP prime minister timi akoso na football dey ntimi koso
yeah say be so but you see
of that to the prime minister timi
akoso we kra na adebakwa that I wanted to touch on pie
no smas holiday no
protocols no mo anfa nya adwuma fine at the end of the day mona mo wa ban mu
and
directives mona say no Kwame it is very important
anyone say me one
I know abona near to free ba
we be yin near to and so far my duty is to protect you and I will
just that party say me different at the end of the day mona mo wa ban mu and ade ye abai Una mo why ashemra say yen hwe
and even nipa na eto nso aba no mo na ye kwakwa legislators awakọ shemra osomra na wona da no so
na kakra na mo fa nya adwuma ba bia ni wonu I mean
kwakwa what I realize
is kwakwa unim enye omo de no condemnable but enye omo nko a hwe odopa scroll through Facebook Instagram ne ada and our Father's Day and for on mo ye parties wo mo fie nom
obia o mo fa nya hwe
meaning baby on mom so mo ye celebrity bibi etwa
silver hair bibi o mo ye see
baby ago mask no kra nkro for nche say amanfo ye nyoma wo mo fie nom ne I say as if there's nothing at stake
gatherings o mo protect your ho eno anso obia de o ya it's bad.
I see a show so 10 years.
Bad.
No smart soon someone say better my jail 10 years.
Police for now betting the class right. Also I no pana. Oh ba, e tesa no mu pie free inside. So mu fall for so waka no. Omo tata.
Asabo.
Omo tata so say ya. Omo tunda entry. O ba na police for dia hard time.
Na me bisa omo kwache crofo kwa na say oni bi omo be mani bi na so mo ko sa. I assemble. Now, who was every day Nigeria near the consolation center so going.
When you piano force no.
Oh, I said, Bakubi say, isolation center net or no doctor or no. I said, doctor, I heard no. Or we are doctor on the phone.
Wow. Look at phone.
We are phone.
And a train my police station. I go.
Basasa case the hadwin power.
Open you test you na ya na enti. I confirm you police for papa.
Oh say ya ha na na be kan make say me kwa kontutu. Wan chi me case you am ka chem say me wo valuable so mu am
you kono. Sa no am ble nto say.
Uni ma ara ho sem ba ko ni moto. Awia kete o. Police ni moto. Wa horo na wo dware aba fa moto na badwuma na oba no bi atamoto no me say me di video no top
o ma say ne ya ne say aya ne edin say obepai on ukopai ukosu a kire wan say wo police ni aya wi awade
me say da o mo ka sa say me chem na mu say no ene ma ha obi a me ka mo dia be si police station
na wa mbi o chasa no da chasa no ya
mo say mo twa
fie abebo me ka hwehwe ewuro mu am ko ka che bulu oba o hwe sa labi ahadi obehia nkran ma o mani adi
Oga share me say me one valuables work car mu a including the car battery no me go am catch say any omo nyem license store na me fa me kan kwezi go meet me to car battery kita kwango I mean
me to be water sand
ase go for ba be wia
to be water sand
oh yeah fine
bakwaku on a more serious note yen hwe sa
on a more serious note ne kan
say me yan for family serious
okay sai ka ba ko kan
on a more serious note no COVID-19
on a more serious note there's the gentleman ewo Achimota Petroleum. Who's a kwa na da ho na otimi fa fa chanta no.
Yeah.
Filling station bi wo ho. Na filling station left to say ho na Max shoes wo. Max shoes.
Max MAX.
Yes, okay. Like Maxwell. On fire irrigated in Niagara.
Oh, okay.
Now to me Krebia na me
refi.
It's Max shoes.
And then they work.
Me tu chema. Yankopon shira. Why?
Alright.
Eno anu no.
Oh yeah. I say work no wetin you to change the man.
Serious note.
They say uja the akara mambo.
Also on the most serious note. On the most serious note, na say no ntimi gan. On
the most serious note, uko TV so na. Program ni ade. O me yak to hama we are. Program so you so di baba. Opani who say Arsenal players be so test positive. Who say omani Man City match they can test your masala mabo.
Enyo wan.
Players be positive.
Enyo wan.
Just say kwaku yare.
Baby I do e dey.
Yare no ba bia.
We say na. By June dey na no mo kan na dey so boy.
Ni nyina go.
You ba. Na yare
ko ba bia.
Na baby anti say no.
Anti asofo ya mka say ya bia na so mo nkosela mo nkono. Afi na meti o maseba. The likes of the
me say
International Central Gospel
meeting.
Sorry meeting.
Yes. Presbyters near call meeting.
Okay.
You could drink kwan ye betimi afa so a.
You
be hwe whether say ye be kwa na say ye nko na ye be kwa. Akwa be ne be fa so a de measures be ne de be gu kwan because still ye ka say ye nko na ye nko.
Pentecost nko ye wa.
Enye ni na assemblies ni bi ho no mo a e bi o mo atoto mo ne ma wi a mo say ye safe for them to do.
But akasiam to some one there.
Ba ye say na fe na ye hwe say be 100 no. Enipa ahefo na be ba ansa na we mu ne nema ni na ne nema ese de gu akwan mu a e be make sure say the people who come no will be safe near the na so safety no ehu hia nti na say yes I didn't enti no na committee one but you eguso etoto nema nti
ecosystem
bibia ne rush sa yeguso kakra
you about say ecosystem
you yeguso
anti mo nko
enya me nka say yenko ye be ko kan
na bia
ya no in a rush
na bia wa kwasori da
ya na me say yenko ye de me kan na won yenko ye so we met yesterday ye discuss ni ahwe kwan ye be fa so a ye corner ye be kono those who come no so what I say so they will be safe sana me ka what I
nkofo bebe na push senka Ghana league ni so ye mo but ye ntwentwen so enura primary se ma hu say ye kase ye bibia nhwe ye ho ba kire kakra mi hunu ye no ko de me ka no tiase no smart holiday no smart holiday
ankoyi kra
nti we say no bia mutu aba
na fellow Ghanaians yi kra na nim say bi obeka say
nkofo na because na ka bi kokko wo but ne say nkofo be gu nkokko param say dia mentwen da fofo na ko
ah mo ko gu say dey
so about one
ya say mo
be bi jeti munyina comprise o asa mo je munyina comprise o obi ke okazo win ni kekeza he didn't win on a silver platter
yeah a lot of stuff
went in there what does it
yes you
akobo mu win ye ne mo congratulations the olutu yanso no on fa komapa emo anu nua normally e ba dey say ya hwe kwakuru every day be one pada o na hu pita say primary rivalry no up to now for the past 20 years and that's so as how people want to say man the bampo and marry the other candidate in the back I'm forget it right na kwa parliament dey dey na wo hopa
omo na enim
cuz omo yam say we be some mo and am ho don't see but obitimi atua $1,200 and $700 people
maza fiti ya weekend sika flow no
how do they get the money back
sika flow no
how do they get the money
back tell him say sika shashaman for sao
the man but
ku bi meet me kan ha
sa
maza na me nipa bi pa na sika o sikura ma na ni tue sika pa o ba bonus start sika ya ko chicha ba ko pa a wonya kakran ka be bo nje tuo de be yisu so woni wan so kwa kwa yi the day why
obeni say feel before
now the social distancing you for fanya duma
as a corona ba o meni na
the fact that I'm
just one person my phones and me pa cho mumra Facebook no so why mumra so gina here how dey gina here on be hu why gina here oh they will see you eti Kobe Stone Okomankra the first time one and yes I am tie shirt jacket and a blazer on a different pants or trouser but the first time I was shirt suit and kasa was saying abo tie
when you abochi slim na dey buy
there be where dey abochi for suit ni bi no where to me say proper suit and kasa assign a shirt tie
yellow
on a yellow shirt you know what I'm saying so Charlie change your style no change your style come on be like that
I'm being in flight and I will continue to be in flight I'll continue to be in flight my brother oh Papa J me to gache
Misha Bibia boko
anu me ko be 5 days bi ntina says ya u ko 5 days ya u ko fie so num nim 3 ni mo ntime
na da na ye de omianya bi say yes say omu rotate workers no ebi no ba adwuma week we ya na ebi no ba we
me de ye
omu ma yan so anya bi
me de ye mpanimfo we ko mo yesi kwa ko
aka last week ya buy be see Friday na ka ya home na for so
omu ya say o de way kopa na ya ma ko bi de way ko ya me twa se menya ko say ayi me de ba yi ko da so ko bi ama
e bani for say e she bi sa ho na mo ma bi so so dia mo ye ni ye mo ye na ya so ya ro na o twi bi say
me mama infa ayi home ma be de no be go da fe say o ba o de akoka ayi agreted interior you were from there
because
omunye menye fe ade de se mo ya no across baby etien kan so ya team nyina nka week ya ba
ukobanso na o ba adwuma ne de ba ahode ahode ba
mama bi so na
ne ka se ko tre
yes ya home home enemre mu ko chia kwan koromre mu ya yi ko chia ya na ko
abani ko fi abanga so na o ya bo ha no se Osama has ne mama epo no
said because he was playing for Hearts.
Exactly.
The mother doesn't like Hearts that much.
My mother disowned me.
Hey.
Ofie Abanga. On signing to Hearts of Folk.
And then no Hearts won't hear be man mama beza.
Say if you say I want kwaku obu akwa mama no so kwa no san pe o se bre yeah. I just say kromo say no petimu a aye papa. A players abo akon kan. Abia piepie mu amono no ne a
kotoko.
Hearts of Folk.
Na fair date na ma me yesa
enti na me tse obi wo ho ma me no so won dam pe wo sebri
me ye research bi me yan complete
okay
research
efa coach players a mo abo two teams no no mo team abeye successful coaches after say omo abo awie
okay so players who played for Hearts and that of Kotoko and they were successful
after so omo awie no
after their career no
after career no what me abeye successful coach
okay
and Kotoko so far me hwema Kotoko
CK account
me nyan wie research na dey but Kotoko di montintima enye CK
kura na ayi kwesi apia so ka ho
and I mean utie Razak
team coach aboda agbere coach and na chese team ye papa
dem me see research a me ye ka me nka sem eno na e ma na ye papa na enye papa me di twam akeke se obi so ye say adwuma no enti e betimi one factor kura nam so na ma me ne pese obema na ba na bo house
Send that
Woko susu mo chira se wani so adun se wi abeye coach a obeka tro se ebia na sa team we kura no ugbo wi a coaching ye no kura na
kwaku
nti ni mayen wi research ni nyina mo ano na afie
na player bia na obobo wi abeye coach ana
na me se ebetimi aye
David
obani
obi o cry ebetimi ama no the opportunity but or better turn it down
bebre tesi bebre kwa bebre obi kwa ayi akwa ku ina Spain for say o meye ayi o mehwe mo afidi cross o se da bi oye
last one guy say man can say
ni yeso akasam fufuro kwaku Togo league na mo bo no
why Jordan story no dey
top scorer Mr. Jordan tin na ba
there we
Andre tin na ba kwaku Abrantia ono na olidi go kin wawu malaria kunu Togo top league no Olidi I go kin malaria kakra ya no
some system of sako test and I say still more confirm
okay before we continue no we know wa fe no wa be John so what you say it you say a man special the man akwa ba wi an ya trust na ya run omo aka dadafo no we know Nokia connecting people ti Nokia for abaya irrigated sports nti ya mo Nokia phone papa na say Nokia they say Nokia say yen can show man for say we introduce the latest range of Android phones. Nokia. So what it's your Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, Nokia C2, and other sleek Nokia Android phones. One more.
Nokia the sleek phone about
the latest ones now ban. The features even say more megapixels. Into a camera no a picture, effect, we try video so. Ye pa so what you say
that be you ma picture near friend can say
megapixel
and no know
megapixel
thank you I know I can
they say be coffee man na vie kwa and no come my dream no
I say long lasting batteries
and the Nokia is known
yes so sa na a sign is suited most of the apps know very well. But on their phones, maybe one more apps need to me fashion papa. The bit say Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any those ones in there. A boy you also correct pa. It's you know obia momodia. When so there any particular shops now be every phone shop be abekobiano. The new Nokia range of Android phones. Now on Swahili. It's Nokia connecting people. Yeah, mama so akwa baba I get sports eso.
I
feel finally what's on Dre hiding?
Jordan asan ko ya bakwasem.
I saw pictures of him over the weekend and but, on Twitter and on Instagram.
You know, most of them they share ball now almost share to say zoom ya. I say ebi a staff here why nya na aja to say Martin Okoswa ye be video. Na time Jordan go ne buy no. The way ya nipa so the fin masi hu machine for bra
kwa kumba cho ye bobo da bia nya go bad ye
David but this time no 100 they say Jordan ko say 25 goals say na record ne da ho after 20 years boy mo de and say obi akobobo bi asese bia but say no abi twa record ni mu ko na ni
okay
artist wa be
first
player
on more
na Saturday ni yon nkwa na shego wo hye na ne branso hye so wono hye na Swansea so no didn't so assign ekobo pay so in fact na nda form na Patrick Thomas so no
the Ayo brothers so just Odigo and assist be so esu omu ni ade na me monitor ni na
to dia ko se take ho no
e ko
box just step
serious pa
na me aduma they are players to watch they are players to watch pa
play bia ono ka ho na me ko support Barcelona e friend Iniesta so what you doing that
yeah
na Abrantie or a serious player or boy which is a near brain or bobo Spain for ya dia bia me for say Ghana for susua no mo share players na dunyam say beboa o my statue dia mano
oh wow
but the naked one I don't know why they decided to do a naked statue
naked
on social that be she ho
on social
and I'm so movie ya
o mo man ko akuni mai
o ebi wo hosa obi wo say ukwa broche anya na statue to mo share and I obabi tim ko jina kwaro nsa aso kwa akuni wo get pictures no mo ya broche de
ebi wo krom timi na ese fountain na ne kwa akuni just na mu pie e ba
na ono nya se esi man keke kwa akuni say o mo bra ye statue won say esi obi o mo bra statue da obi oba wi ase won don semfo an obi yes in statue intense na the anti statue ni ba mu ni say World Cup bi ya boy no That is Spain first World Cup I'm doing recently no. Now no share goal no extra time. Now share goal no. That you say your boy extra time we are second half of the extra time. Aka kram ye wie na Iniesta share goal no. Sa goal no share the da no. And I'm pretty for the chess so many years pa. Iniesta fan we did 36 years. And so when you start TV. Yes Obrano and Koran dim penny for ja pa.
All right, your first like I said ma Airtel Tigo. Or say we are still in the season for extra. I don't know. But more than more airtime, fakasa more, now more data bundles. So wait me stay online. I had the opposite way be more than also be choose from Airtel Tigo's big time data extra, fuse extra or extra unlimited. Say I'll be extra. I bring because it's time for extra. If you feel I'm there and just dial *111#. Now it choose to plan this year. Airtel Tigo live is simple. I feel DBS Industries Limited so eguso air Kyle say. Edani de obesiu na chance na de boss no e say DBS roofing sheet na ne kura de ansa na de roofing sheet be gudan so no enua na ye de boss one ansa na de chance na guso no e say atwam ye de na de na aba eno no there be your friend no losing trusses yes losing trusses
that's the word trusses
it's no de no guso ansa na de chance na aba be guso it's bomodin so be hwe chi akwan na wetimi aba
rebel losing crosses
ube wuri ye try kwan on the Spinters Road one kran ha ufie so enche bia no du papaya restaurant obetimi afre 0240 844 444 na mo takra den so mo frɛ 050 600 4242 Kumasi phone frɛ 050 600 4141 na one DBS Industries abonkomo afi Jaisu Herbal Clinic. Me can na me kai Ghana for a more UK in important. Me sebebre. Momo Modiana Mumbuki appointment with Dr. Shadrach Kwabna in Chiakwa. Ewo Jaisu Herbal Clinic. Bemu Chiakwan. Ewo Regency Court Unit F Milton Keynes. Na wabo Modiana ba. Na Dr. Asho Kama. And they koko sabia UK one ya de na ye you no Ghana ni wa tromboase no wa wrong kama e patron number be frɛ no book appointment no +44 744 071 0664 that's +44 744 071 0664 na Ghana how you so there 020 826 3357 and our 0244 523 young friend BM 0244 529 398 that's 0244 529 398 now on a Jaisu Herbal Clinic for Eddie Ngita me patro you know yeah boapa black man and black woman booster a boost immune system no MA strong that me fight against every disease bia any old Jaisu WMP capsules so e wo hono mo a eno unya bi na no mo a esanfo uya mu sansan yam na watimi agyaw na yi ene mo deposit wo mu na e betimi aya na kofa yare abro ni na akọ yare na besen ko no wa free esan preventing high blood pressure afi cholesterol na wo mu na ya bebrebe na no eteso kra excess fat and gas na e free ho na wa free na mom yenro no wundi 12 years a untimi enumbi tiya na machine so sa edi amai sankra toyi FDA for imuhwe mu agya tum se eye Jaisu Herbal Clinic, the home of natural herbal medicine. Finally Papes Pizza say pizza ndi obedi na de no ene de fi Papes Pizza na say Papes Pizza no enye se o tu anamo aba obetimi atra fie wotu computer chia na phone so kwa na odem na de abro ba bia obia eno ano no East Legon, North Legon, Domain, Tema, Osu, Spinkters, Road, Ring Road, and also be logging onto your website www.papetspizza.com. And yes, I'll be dialing magic short code no star 844 *10#. No follow prompt no. Your pizza deliciously you be delivered their bro. It will be Papet's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Oh, okay. Wokaso be mommy extra manabro so ne di na wuyi. Extra ebechesa.
Ani o madam, Airtel Tigo die, ye di e boshe so pa. Sisi ampo, so we extra unlimited Airtel Tigo call sabu so me no a, e ye 10 Ghana cedis pe.
We no me pese meti.
E braso, so we unlimited calls, na ye Airtel Tigo so pe. With your star 111 hash Sisia.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Oh yeah, I'm true. Mukono. The Mazy cement. Action for pizza in the Mazy. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm true. Hawaii. No more bomu. Baby, sure I'm no kuno. Yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. Anye. Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, this is your kobe. We am bedroom marriage. Una numpaba brown sana waba. So your constipation, I am chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, but we am so way. Hey, you see the arrow. I am chira. To who is so much planning you from a one hole. That's a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am rebogo. Your friend, Afana Macha. On time upon a we am go fine. Maybe very son. San Jaisu Yaba Clinic away Jaisu WMP capsule. I'm going to do a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Share, me manage the big things in home. Me fast small things in your way. And mountain and manage Go TV hono. If we say Go TV dear, me nimsa bribia or mo bet share me bigger and better things. And can cancel about a footballer. So we did that. Sergio Aguero. Yeah, Crado near the football. Papa no ebre will back. Super Sport you will Go TV so the live football ebre will back. And then they're off. You who the deal na big boys number back in town. La Liga ni Syria are games in Cristiano Ronaldo. And crystal clear digital pictures and the sound papa dunia de brewo e will Go TV so many go slow crowd go pay by the point and now mobile agent be your bet one chow Go TV, live it, love it.
Just look at a Festo and it will make you drool. It's young and hip and it's really super cool. Every Festo bite is milky to the core. The moment you taste it, you want some more. No, I won't share it with you, no. It's my Milky Fest. I call it, you call it, we call it Festo. Holly Festo Milk Shortcake. Shortcut to fun.
Nokia smartphones abano and no one will be a can once Nokia new Android smartphones you want more megapixels. Nisenti and mau kwema ultra pictures ni videos pop baby. Nokia new Android smartphones you fast. So what they call internet content porno so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, umiaswa. Let them Nokia batteries there we are signal di one dance here. Or new Android phones you charge ya a jinaswa this a jinaso. Also when you bet new Nokia Android smartphones Joe Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, and our Nokia C2, and our Nokia new slick phones or the Abanibi. Call phone shop be a bell. Najo Nokia phones is here. Nokia, it keeps getting better.
Abra Yeguswa din kabom ekwentia COVID-19 yi. Ecobank ema wa kwanya hodwa. Wo de bet na fie. Abon ho ban na watumi du sikasem ahyewa wonsem. For Ecobank mobile didra bebia ne abrebia. Se wo Ecobank account ana woni bie. For text message ana email so from anisika. To credit, tia wo bills. Abra wuti fie edwodwo ho. Se ye sika puduo na oni en didra. For your internet banking so. Ecobank QR code ma wo kwan ma wo fa abefu sikatua kwan so. Etua ne ma no dwumadie Walker, one for Sikapotin, Intia, Ecobank Mobile, and Neya will Google Play Store, App Store, and I am Facebook page, and now star 770 hash, and will phone BR so. Nasha see Dija, Ecobank, General Home, Kaisa Obama Quine, Adaunia for frontem, Eata Horo and Sa, and Afi, and phone San Kiko and him, we am Webia, Fre Ecobank Contact Center, or 3225, Debia, and Yabribia, won't Yashi, Snefina Bo Mobile, Ecobank, the Pan African Bank.
Sawo hohoro from a jachanse and a tank mu a fa insuo gu mu ma no nyema we be man from a biara aka aka kyɛnsee no mu apue na hwie nsuo ni free kyɛnsee no mu ɛwɔ sɛ nea ɔbɛhohoro mframagya kyɛnsee no mu hyɛ ntadeɛ bi a ɛbɛbɔ ne ho ban bi te sɛ mpaboa ahwehwɛniwa mframagya nkatanim ɛne biribi a ɛbɛbɔ ne nsa ho ban ɛwɔ sɛ LPG ahyɛn etumi nya kɔkɔbɔ nneɛma bi te sɛ nkanea anaasɛ kɔkɔbɔ atwerɛdeɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtae hwɛ hunu sɛ kyɛnsee na yɛde kora mframagya ne ho baabiara ɛnwee naakye anaa ɛnsɛe ehunu biribi saa a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛfrɛ ɛho nimdifoɔ nkratoɔ yi efiri National Petroleum Authority aswɛ.
Say your case Dominion Herbal Powder, a young one with Juma, immune system, and then Quabo will nip a drum in Yedden, then the senti, what Teddy Yaresun Kunimua, and what dance be new.
I don't dare find my movie, Tina Midiwa dancing, and I say, me say
Dominion Herbal Powder, dear, Minia, and yet a month for dancing tea, and a bacon fool, near a year over Nipa Diamono, a bromaging and a mentia so. Nipa Biara, who per se, would do fear Yankupon de Mawono, now would demean a dear, and mud Dominion Herbal Powder, and Pau de Biara da.
As someone at the honor, Dominion Herbal Powder, and once one you will so share will take up. Now that trick to us, Biagumu, what Francetianum, what we Angels Dominion Herbal Center, one cocoa and a diaba, a pen for a baton more monofo, and Quadawin if you do me one count. Dodwafre 054 315 8195. FD, I shall say a dreading crack to him, Ajatum say.
Get a new life, make your body go happy. Vital mineral water makes your body so happy. Vital mineral water, new life for every day. Vital mineral water, so vital mineral water. Just look at a Festo and it will make you drool. It's young and hip and it's really super cool. Every Festo bite is milky to the core. The moment you taste it, you want some more. No, I won't share it with you, no. It's my Milky Fest. I call it, you call it, we call it Festo. Holly Festo Milk Shortcake. Shortcut to fun.
Good life so a honey a chicken come fire dada jina ye wo ya pomu den na ye die ho enen komo no fa nkwada wo nyanya fienum so winya tuntum dan ya hye de dro no foforo a ma wo remfi se wo be hatem don hwe duonu 9 ansa na wade mu se de be ya enko ha wo honam ana wani ma good life ni akotene wo se de wo si hwe wo do so da na bo hu de wo hwe wo namfonom ni wo busua asetina pa boni e dada de nkai boy fi Ghana Health Service you say no one chain.
Se wo honam tosoma wa wani jiuchin nanso ebia na wobotumi nyesa sisi ade eto atwa esanse Nivea body products a wani je hono atete niema so ama anunti wunni hawkra anunti to America kwaje wo ma ne mema 400 ml body lotion and a roll-on deodorant a ebe chewo hu shajal nso na wo hia e ma honam ye hwehwehwem da muni nyina esanse yatete ni nyina so ama wo benya bi e wo stores a yetetu asi hono
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yama cuckoo,
fresh lady capsules, a woman maumutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you feed me no come home. 0243 559 319.
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yama cuckoo,
fresh lady capsules, a woman maumutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you feed me no come home. 0243 559 319.
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yama cuckoo,
fresh lady capsules, a woman maumutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you feed me no come home. 0243 559 319.
FD Ashoshe Jadi and Cry to Mwaja to Muse Eye.
Fresh products. Hashtag Bobra.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
I mean, you know what? Where the girls at? Where the boys at? We are going to see what we are to my see. Only be I see a quadro for I feel Benjamin so I see get draw. Mamma, you know, if you are some more, your brand of dear. Mamma, you know, I'm in chilling, feeling okay. Mamma, you know, if you are some more, your brand of dear. My baby, me whoa. My man chillin', feeling okay. Nah, whoa. Baby,
come up on the home of day. Come to me, I know one man. And then I'm to Mr. Moss in England. Mini be the Busha with me Lamoji. And then I'm to Mr. Moss in England. Mini be the Busha with me Lamoji. Kakabami, who you can't cook. Yes. Many of you will say, Mammy Julie Mosi. Yes, I may game. You figure say I come joke. And I can move into my belly. Premature Chingana, my ice cream. Kalakala for nowhere when him I say, well, we miss it and the summer for ice cream. Obia the sick and I will have paperwork. And your family chain and the construct. You know, you are the big more what I was. You see, and I'm one day and then you compare. You make kind of say, Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Hello, hello, about say, see me so, baby, see me so, honey, see me so, yes, I'm baby, I get me. See me so, baby, see me so, honey, see me so, yes, I'm baby, I get me. Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. See what super make it to me sabe. I say what to me, make it man kote. See me so.
Emma featuring Kaiche Kwame Apia. See me so.
If you don't like it,
Jerry, please wish me, no, help me wish my sister, Mrs. Joanna Ekuyachewa Esufi of Kaswa Manfrum a happy birthday. She is 43 years old today. I ask for God's blessings upon her life. Love her so much. From your little sister, Sister Vero. See me so, darling. Happy birthday going out to Abraham Frimpong, aka Kobe. AB of your of university. Which university? Anyway, your mom, Mrs. Grace Frimpong of Nigata Motors. Siblings Nana Ousu, Becky, Sarah Frimpong of KNUST. You're wishing you a happy birthday. Get ready for live sports and all your football leagues only on DSTV. Yes, the big boys are back this June on DSTV, starting with La Liga, the Serie A, and the Premier League. Stay connected or reconnect to us from only 40 cedis per month. And you can also stream live anywhere with DSTV now. Come on, also bet your DSTV subscription on while resetting a fee or activate your account. You can also buy a decoder as well as receive after sales service by just looking out for any of the over 100 pay body points and mobile agents across the country. Your DSTV life just got easy. DSTV, feel every moment. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's filler time, y'all. Yeah, busy,